Hey, Terry here with the Tailored Realty team. I bet you thought since summer was over, you missed out on all the summer sales. Well, you'd be wrong. There is one more left for you. This one here at 301 Ollivander Lane in Ellington Subdivision is available. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath unit. It is practically brand new. Now what I'm gonna do is, as always, I'm gonna take you through and let you take a look. We'll do our virtual tour. We'll have pictures out there for you to look at. But one thing I want you to do at the end that's a little bit different, I want you to see if you can count up all of the upgrades. Yes, upgrades. There are quite a few upgrades in this particular unit, and I want you to see if you can figure out how many there are. At the very end, I'll show you all the upgrades, so there'll be no mystery. Hey, if you're interested in this one, give me or Yolanda a call. My number is 803-767-2914. Yolanda's at 803-422-2226. Have your agent call us if you have an agent. If you're not working with an agent, give us a call. We'll be happy to get you in this unit because again, it is a beautiful find, basically brand new. But without any further ado, let's go inside and take a look.